Believe it or not, 2023 is the last of the horsepower, the last of the V8s, and the last of the Hellcats. Save $8,000.
When I say $8,000, I meant $10,000.
Get your hands on one of these iconic muscle cars before they ride off into the sunset.
The Dodge Challenger and Charger have been synonymous with raw power and American muscle for decades, and the 2023 models are no exception. With their distinctive designs, thunderous engines, and unparalleled performance, these vehicles are a true tribute to the golden age of horsepower.
If you've always dreamt of owning a piece of automotive history, now is the time to make that dream a reality. You can experience the thrill of driving a V8 powered vehicle. Don't miss out on your chance to own one of the last of the Hellcats here at Gilman.